Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Tripura Pradesh would like to show solidarity to our brave soldiers who were killed in Kashmir and Dantewada by the anti-social elements. When India, under Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, is on the verge of being a world power, we the youths and the Yuva Morcha of this nation strongly condemn this kind of cowardly act which are trying to divide India in the names of hatred and communalism. Therefore, the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, once again, we are all gathered here today to show our respects to our brave fallen soldiers of our great country, India. Thank you.
Thank you.